I'm Troy Galloway with Galloway Building Services, and we are a construction quality verification company. Jobs are being done quickly and they're being done cheaply. There are very few craftsmen left in the industry and very few people that even take pride in what they're doing. You would not believe some of the quality issues that we found on construction sites, from the roof to the concrete porch, termite issues. I have been in the construction business as a builder for over 40 years. We started this business so we could protect the property owners from being ripped off on their projects by people that they trusted. When we complete the verification process, you will get a detailed report with pictures. You will be totally informed of what has happened on your project, what's done right, what's not done right, and why. We have one mission: to ensure that your construction project is done correctly. Call us today and somebody on our team will call you back in the same day.